What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the print shop. Today I'm gonna continue doing this hats. I am about to get 10, I believe, and they're going pretty fast. I'm starting to record a little bit later on the day because I had to go get this material. There's some reflective for this jackets. So that's what I had to do, and it was pretty far. It was like an hour drive there and then an hour back. So I was doing that. We also received some shirts that we're gonna print later on. I'm not gonna do those right now, but I do have to get started on the on this vest, get them all done, get them all printed. So that's what we're gonna do today. So let's do it.
Blurry vision, I'll fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy, I've lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
We are getting this reflective done. So I still have a few more to go. I have to go buy a pillow for the shirt, for the sweater, so the zipper doesn't mess them up. And I'm also embroidering another hat for the same company. So we got done with all the other stuff. The vests are done, the hats are done. They're gonna come pick them up, and next is those. So let's get it. Those hats are done. This we're gonna continue the next day. This is it from me today. We'll see you on the next one.